So now we're going to run some arithmetic on arrays instead of just single numbers. So let's say you have a matrix A, 1, 2, 3, you have a matrix B equals 4, 5, 6. You can just add these two matrices together by A plus B, and you get 5, 7, 9. Let's say you want to multiply these matrices by by one another. Okay, let's say I make a C equals to some three-dimensional matrix, and a D, which is another three-dimensional matrix, and I times them by each other, I get this result, which is your essential matrix multiplication, which is, first row times this one plus this times this plus this times this, etc. But if you wanted to do a kind of multiplication where you take every element of C and multiply it by the element in D in the same position, so therefore I want to do like 1 times 1 and then 2 times 1 and then 3 times 1, the way to do that is by typing in C dot times D. And so what this does is to multiply every element in C by the element in D in that same position. And this is the result that you get. So, for example, the first element is 1 times 1, which gives you that 1. Second one is 2 times 1, which gives you that 2. 3 times 1, which gives you that 3. So you can see what I'm doing right here. And you can do the same thing with divide as well. So C divided by D, that's a matrix division. Not really sure what that is. It's very small. Or if you want to just divide it by the respective element, then you do C dot divide by D. And that gives you this. Okay. So you can also do relative arithmetic. So to remind you again, C looks like this and D looks like that. I want to find the places where C is more than D. And so this tells me that it is true in these specific positions. You can also do some very simple statistics inside of an array. So let's say you go back to our very long A equals 1. You can find the max of A is going to be 34. Or the min of A is the covariance of A is the standard deviation of A is. So one more thing about data manipulation is that arrays can also be text arrays, and this is a pretty nifty thing if you want to start to do some text analysis. So let's say I have a piece of text that says, and I started with an apostrophe. That's how you start a string, and it says the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Let's say I accidentally put dig. There you go. Okay, so this is a string, and I can refer to bits of it just like I refer to any element in an array. So I can say A, the second element is H. A's fourth element is that empty space. And I want to go in and say fix that misspelled thing. So I can do a quite nifty thing. I wanted the second last item, so it will be n minus 1. And it'll give me I. So I want to say that A's n minus 1 should actually be the character O. And now it has fixed my string. And maybe I want to go into A and find all of the letter O's. Oops, sorry, too fast. A equals O. And it gives me that in the 13th, 18th, 28th, and 43rd positions, I have O. So that's how you can start to do some kind of text analysis. But I'm not going to dive into that right here, but just know that it is a possibility. Thank you.